Good day, everyone. Here's the beauty in the forest. We live in the mountain, guys. Here we go. After almost 35 years, ito ang outcome ng swimming pool ng mga parents ko. Used to be for business. Ngayon, nag-turn na naging fish pond. There you go. No, ano yung fish dyan? Hito and tilapia. We feed them with green vegetables from Mommy's garden and bananas. Okay, hope you enjoy watching, guys. Please subscribe, follow, like, and share. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.